My MSG Crazy. This is gonna be my series of air horn pranks. Yeah. All right.
All right. Take the fucking paper off the floor right now. What the hell are you doing that for?
I wonder how good this thing works.
No. Take the fucking paper up now.
So I was a little bit late at getting him in the door. So yeah, this is a cute little party air horn for $5 at any like Jolly General. And I'm gonna try to get my dad. All right, here he comes. Here he comes. Let me get him. Shit. Hey.
No, I told you don't.
So I got him, and I look forward to doing some more little air horn pranks. So, MSG Crazy, peace out, subscribe or like, and leave a comment below if you like the video. See you.